What if you could edit images with just a few words and see perfect consistency every time? There's a new AI model out now that's changing the game, and it's called Flux1 Kontext. Hey, what's up? This is JAL from JAL's AI Show, and welcome back to another very exciting AI tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how Flux1 Kontext, the latest image editing AI from Black Forest Labs, can transform and edit images with just a simple text prompt. We'll test its power on real examples, from changing outfits and weather to adding new scenes, and even editing text inside images. Let's see how it performs and why it might be one of the best tools out there for in-context image editing. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now, before we dive into the demo, let me quickly explain what in-context image editing actually means. It's basically when an AI model takes an existing image as input and understands the context, like the characters, objects, lighting, and style, then let you edit or generate new versions based on simple text prompts. And that's exactly what Flux1 Kontext does, but better than most. So to test it out, I headed over to the official Flux Playground by Black Forest Labs, where you can try both the Kontext Pro and Max versions live. Let's start with something simple. Now for our first image editing test, I upload a t-shirt image and gave the model a quick instruction. Put this t-shirt on a man standing near a city park. 4 generated images came back, all showing the same t-shirt style worn by the character, but in different poses and lighting setups, all consistent, detailed, and perfectly placed into the new scene. This is exactly what in-context image editing is all about. Taking an existing object, in this case clothing, and placing it into a completely new visual context without losing quality or realism. And if you're thinking, can I get even more control over how clothes fit or how textures look? Then I've got something for you. I actually made a workflow, the Clothes Transfer by JAL V1, where we go deep into pose-controlled outfit transfer, fabric customization, and much more. Another thing, I'll go to the Edit tab here and upload an image, and give the model a prompt. Put this character in a cozy forest cabin, sitting by a fireplace and a window showing the woods outside. Let's generate only 2 photos and hit run. And boom, 2 variations came back, each showing my character perfectly placed in a warm, rustic cabin complete with glowing firelight. Most of the image is very consistent, and that's super impressive. Let's say I want to switch things up again, maybe go from snowy night vibes to something more lively. I pick one of the generated images and ask, make it daytime and add birds flying outside. Okay, we got some weird outputs, but number 1 looks fine. Except for the bird is too close. Now let's try something a bit different. Let's go to fill here. I'm going to take that first image and select the bird directly in the image. Then I'll use a simple prompt, remove. That's it. Watch what happens. The bird is gone, but the rest of the image remains untouched. That's super useful when you want to keep the composition but remove unwanted elements quickly. Now let's try something else, editing text inside an image. I uploaded a photo of a signboard and gave the model a simple instruction. Change the text to JAL's AI Show. And boom, 4 variations came back with the updated text, all keeping the same font style, color, and background lighting as the original image. It even matched the lighting and perspective really well. Now let's switch gears and try something totally different. Instead of 3D style character, I'm going to use a realistic photo this time. I upload a high quality image of a girl taking a selfie. My prompt was simple. A girl in jungle taking a selfie with a lion. And just like that, 4 results came back showing the same person, same pose, but now taking a selfie with a lion. Let's try something else, maybe a gorilla. I took one of those outputs and gave a new instruction: change the background to a city street at night with neon lights. Nighttime scene, new light reflections on the characters, very consistent pose, everything is amazing. While Flux1 handles everyday edits beautifully, from outfit swaps to background changes and even text editing, after all, AI is just a tool, and real creativity that still lives in our brains. But what makes Flux Kontext so exciting isn't just what it can do now, it's where it's headed. All eyes on the dev version. Once that drops, we'll be able to run it locally, and you better believe I'll be testing it right here on ComfyUI, seeing how it performs in custom workflows. So if you're curious about the future of image editing with AI, stay tuned and definitely give Flux a try over the Flux Playground. Test both the Pro and Max versions. Let me know what you think. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my Patreon to support the channel. See you in the next one.